I found some parts from a lady whose husband used to be in the Formula V. She's a little rusty. The pistons do move. What also came with it was this. It's an Engle Turbo Cam. That's probably going to end up being for sale. I'm going to try and save these. We'll see what happens. First thing I want to hit is this cam. I want to see if most of this stuff comes off of here or not. It does not look bad. It should come clean. We will see. And get this all clean. I'll oil it up. I'll bag it. And this cam will be for sale. I need a small Scotch Brite. Oh yeah, very light pressure, it's coming right off. Coming right off. I'm barely rubbing on this. I don't want to put any marks in it at all. Oh yeah, it came super clean. Awesome. It looks like this is clearance for a crank. And this thing is almost done already. There she is. Okay, she came real clean. I am super happy with that. A little bit of old red cam shield stuff in here, Engle cam stuff. Cool. One down, 4 to go. Now for these, I'm not sure how to go about this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to Scotch Brite the inside a little bit and then try and get the most of the surface stuff off of here. See how bad it is, if there's any kind of pitting from the rust. It looks pretty good in there. I mean, you can see a little bit of the dark staining from the rust, but I can't feel anything. It's flat. See if we can get a little bit of this oil in here. You know what? I think I might go penetrating oil for this. Okay, I want it to get in the crevices. Let's do that. I love this stuff. Miracle juice. These wrist pins are kind of a concern because there's a couple of them that are rusty. Oh yeah, that wrist pin's gonna come right out of there. Nice. Like a glove. No marks on that at all. Beautiful. I'll take it. Let's pop this thing the rest of the way out of here. Except for a little staining on right there, they look like they're in pretty good shape. Cool. So far, so good. You guys tell me, what's with these little brass things in here? I don't get it. What's that all about? These are here. See? One there on that side, one there on this side. Same on the other side. What's that all about? What's the function? I don't know. But they look pretty good. That's coming off of there. Cool. Cool. All right. Let's try sanding that a little bit. Yeah. I think the old dingle ball might just take care of this. It's still got good cross hatching in it. Don't know if you can really see. Yeah, you can see it. It's got good cross hatching in it. They just need to be cleaned up inside and out. I'm not going to go too crazy. I just want to see if there's pitting. Because if it's pitted and it's trashed, then I'm not going to bother. Alright, that one passes the test. I'm going to hone that one. Next, while I'm at it, alright, see if this one will come out. Not a problem. A little bit of shine, shadow from the piston sitting in there. But the rest of it's got really good cross hatching, so I'm gonna do what I did with the other one. Hit it with a little sandpaper. See if it's got any pitting in it, and if it's not worth it, I'm done. Beyond that, these pistons look pretty good. Not complaining. Wrist pin. Oh, I forgot about the wrist pin. Let's see what happens with that. This wrist pin has a little bit of stuff on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll up a piece of this 500. Ever so gently. See if this crud comes off of here. If not, really don't want to go pounding on them. $15 mil, looks like it fits perfect in there. Let's give this a couple love taps. Feels like it's moving. That's going. Gonna pop right out. this just a little more love. No marks, no problems. No scratches, no nothing. These are brand new. They're just been sitting. Don't know if that's a big deal. It barely makes my fingernail drag a little bit. I'll hit that with some sandpaper and see if it comes off. And if it doesn't, then I can just get a new set of wrist pins for it. Next up, are you going to cooperate? I'm really curious to see how the hone cleans these things up. Yeah, real smooth. That one passes. Oil can! Oil can! Alright, let's give you a love tap, see what happens. Yep, brand new, no scratches, brand new rings, everything's new. These rings have not been run on here. Can they be saved? Well, we know we saved the cam already. So slippery. That one came out. Just a little bit of gnarliness. I would retire that because I don't think, yeah, I wouldn't mess with that. Not worth taking the chance. No marks, perfectly clean. No slide marks from popping that out of there. Very nice. I'm impressed. I did not think that would come out so good. All right. What am I doing? Here's the moment of truth. Did the last wrist pin leave a mark? Not on that side. And believe it or not on that side either. Wow. Cool. So I would say that those are beyond fixing. I gotta look online and see how much they are. That one has just a super light amount of pitting in it, and it's mostly stain and rust. I haven't even really sanded this yet. But I wouldn't put that in a bearing. But these are in great shape. I'm super psyched about that. So wrist pins. And then, don't get too excited. I gotta hone and see how this comes out. So let's clean this all up. And I'll be back in a minute. I'll see if I can find something so we can do some honing. We got our container set up so we don't make a giant mess. Got the light shining in the box. We got our hone and a valve cover. soaking in oil. Put a little bit of extra on there. So that's lubed. And now we're about to send it in here. Let's see what happens. Now, I've done short snippets and honing before, but what I didn't do was show you the first stage. Last time I just tried to clean up a little scratch from the piston ring. So I'm going to put the drill on number 1, put it on the hone, I'm just spinning the hone in the valve cover to get some oil on it. She's coated in oil. Now, so this is how you, from what I understand, I'm not a pro at this, but from what I understand, this is how you're supposed to do it. Reverse. All right, that should be enough cleaning. You're supposed to do it slow for like 25 seconds or so. Now I'm going to send it. You want to get more of an angled cut by going faster and a 45-degree crosshatch on the inside. So let's see how this turns out. All right. If the rust is all gone and I got decent crosshatch, I'm going to be really surprised and happy. So far, this is 1 out of 4. Ooh, I lost a diggle ball. No way. That is awesome. Let me get you in the light. That is incredible. Great crosshatch cut on it. That looks awesome. I'm super happy so far. That's killer. It's just dirt. Let me get the light. That is incredible. That hone works wonders. I am really psyched about that. Now I just got to clean the outside of these things, which should be a chore, but you can't beat that with a stick. All right, round 2. This is one of the worst ones. It's got a bunch of stuff right here. So this is going to be a test of the emergency honing system. This is only a test. If we were actual honing emergency, no one would give a damn. Okay. Yeah, there's a little bit left. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the bottom so I can see. When you tighten this Don't over tighten it or you're going to bust your fins on your jugs and you won't be happy. I think we need a little more oil. She came out. I think she says she's done. Okay, moment of truth. Did it work? Amazing. That hone is worth its weight in gold. It does such a good job. Okay, 2 down. 2 more to go. And you know what comes next. Super speed. Good stuff. Drippy, drippy into garbage can. And we are done with the insides anyway. Here's the cleanup. Yep, I broke off one of my dingle balls. Done. There's my mess. That spot right there. And that's it. We will take our hone, put it back in the box with the garbage bag, wipe out our valve cover, throw away that plastic bag in the little Amazon box, and we are all set. And here's what you needed to do it. Oil, some cleaner, brake cleaner or carb cleaner, some penetrant, hammer, the trusty DeWalt drill, the flex hone. There's the part number if you're looking to buy one of these. It's in my parts list. I'll have it in the description. Some rags. And a little bit of hard work. That only took me a couple hours. So I'm psyched. I forget the lady's name, but I'm going to send her a little video when I release this and thank her and let her know where we're at. And that I was able to save her husband's old pistons and jugs that he left out. And they will get some use, hopefully, someday. We'll see. Quick update. I went and met the young lady whose husband used to be a Formula V racer, and I bought some more stuff off of her. I told her I needed a pack. She said, I have a few of them. I said, well, bring everything you got and let's see, maybe we can make a deal and I'll buy everything. Well, that's exactly what ended up happening. I got this for the car, for my car. I'm going to put that in my car. A spare Speedo. A very old tack. Don't even know what year that's from. That's got to be old. Anyway, I don't know much about it. That's probably going to be for sale. A very old rear view mirror. Don't even know what year that's from. That's got to be old also. Another tack that I'm going to use for my start stand. Brake master cylinder. Still works. Hard to do with one hand though. Trust me, it works. And this book, this is pretty cool. This is Small Wonder, the story of the Volkswagen Beetle by Walter Henry Nelson. The coolest thing about this book is it was signed by Stuart Perkins Grand, the president of the Volkswagen of America in 1967. Pretty cool. I'm going to have to thumb through that. Maybe I'll read it, I don't know. Maybe I'll sell it. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. That's pretty cool. And then this is funny. Here's a how to hot rod your Volkswagen engines book for a guy that used to build performance turbo engines. The funniest thing about it, this book has never even been cracked. It's brand new. Eat it and eat it. He knew what he was doing. Guy was a Formula V racer. He probably laughed when he saw that book. Anyway, thank you, Terry. I enjoyed meeting you. Thanks for sharing the parts with me and helping keep the V-dubs alive. All right, that's all I got for now. We will get back to this stuff. Let me know if you guys are interested in any of this stuff. So there we have it. Saved. Actual pistons are in really good shape. Brand new rings. Everything's good. They're honed. They look beautiful. So, set of wrist pins, and I got myself a new set of jugs and pistons. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do with these is I'm going to oil everything up and then throw them in that bag over there. When I'm done oiling all the insides of these, I'm going to spray it down with this stuff because this is great for stopping rust. And there we go. Two really weird looking bags. That should do. All right, everybody. I am going to put the rest of my stuff away, and I'm done for the night. Have a great night.